Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back every one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I have these huge boxes that came today. One of them actually had some leaking in it. So my wife was kind enough to open the box up and pull out what was leaking. Meguiar sponsorship, year 2. I still have probably about 90% of year 1's supplies still, because I still had some of my own stuff as well that I like to use on my car that's Meguiar's. So let's see all the craziness that they sent, because last year they sent an absolute ton of stuff. It's just like unbelievable how much they send. So it's 6 bottles and it's all the same. So 6 bottles of the Ultimate Quick Detailer. Yeah, I still have, probably like 4 bottles, if not more, in there, in my garage already. But yeah, you know, can never have too much, I guess. So the next thing is, I think this might be like a giveaway. They do give like so they do give stuff that you can give away at, yep. So this is the little giveaway box that they give that has the Ultimate Wash and Wax. So it's these little giveaways that I could bring with me to a car show or what have you. So that's kind of cool. I did give last year's away at some of the shows I went to, so they kind of actually one show and they went fairly quickly. Now there's this big, really big box that has a ton of boxes in it, to include about a dozen towels. They already got dirty because they were pulled out of the box by the wifey. It's all right, I'll run them through the wash and all that stuff. Then you have 2 packs of the golden application pads. There's 4 pads in each of these. Then you can feel the wetness on the box. Oh yeah, it's wet on the inside. So you have the waterless wash and wax. One of these is what opened up inside the box, so the wife pulled it out and got rid of it for me. Then you have the glass cleaner, more glass cleaner, and mind you, I still have 1.5 bottles of the glass cleaner. Then you have, oh, this is different. Bug and tar remover, professional strength, powerful foaming action, loosens stuck bugs, tough on bugs, easy on paint. So you have the Meguiar's heavy duty. That's new. They didn't do that last year that I remember. So that's all in that box. So I'm gonna put this stuff away. Then you have, I've got 4 more boxes of stuff in here. That tells you anything. You can hear my pup crying because she thinks that I'm opening something for her. So a whole nother box, a complete another box of the Ultimate Liquid Wax giveaways. So that's a completely different giveaway box. Plus, that's kind of easy if you go to car shows and you want to like bring stuff with you. You can just bring a sample or whatever and use it on your car. That way you don't have to bring the whole thing. But there's 3 more boxes, so let's see what else is in here. These are the big stuff. Is I'm not allowed to give it away or sell it. That's part of the sponsorship agreement. Is you're not allowed to give things away. You're not allowed to sell it. Oh hell! Hell yeah, this is awesome. They're doing things. So I suggested that stuff to them last year when I went and showed with them at the Cruising Ocean City show. I couldn't go this year because I'm going to Z-Days. It conflicts with each other. But I end up getting a ton of stuff from them at that show because of the fact that I mentioned the things that I would need that weren't sent for the show season. One of the things is interior cleaner. This stuff, if you want to clean your interior, is the bomb. This stuff, I've been using this in my car, my dash, everywhere. This stuff is awesome. That makes me smile. That's just amazing. So then you have water magnet drying towel, which is perfect as well. A microfiber wash mitt. I can definitely use a new one of those. Then some of this stuff I can't use right now, but this is the ultimate wash and wax hydroponic technology. The thing is I can't use or don't need pretty much most of this because of the fact that my car is ceramic coated. The whole purpose of being ceramic coated, thank you to Above and Beyond for sponsoring my car and the ceramic coating that went on it. So I don't need most of this stuff. I can't use on my car because of the fact that it's ceramic coated. It's just not needed. You don't want to put wax over ceramic coating. So you got metal polish. Then I have a ultimate interior detailer, another thing that I had needed from them because of the fact that, you know, they didn't send it the last time and I needed things to be able to clean the interior of the car. You can't do that if they didn't send that to you, so I had to buy all that stuff on my own, which isn't a problem. And then 2 more boxes. Let's see what other stuff is in here. It's like a kid in an automotive store getting all these goodies. It's just so much stuff. It's so beautiful. Oh, wow. This is just crazy how much stuff they send. So you have 4 bottles of black tire coating. So you have 3 bottles of it. If you can see that, 3 bottles of it. Then you have, what is this? Oh, this is awesome too. Smooth surface clay kit. Creates a smooth as glass surface, makes wax glide on and last longer. Now with 60% more clay. Look at this whole clay kit. Comes with like all the stuff in that. I actually bought one of these last year and used it. So if that tells you, it's definitely needed. And then you have ultimate fast finish, the easy way to wax. Protects for a full year or 100 washes. So it comes with an ultimate fast finish. Ultimate fast finish. So that's also new this year, because last year that was one of the other complaints I had. They sent all this stuff for cleaning, but they didn't send any wax. There was no wax. So you can go back to the old video that I had posted from last year and compare that to this year's. I'm definitely loving this year's better. They also said that this is just from the 2018 and that they're going to be sending the 2019 newer stuff when it comes in. So this might not be the only package I get. Now, more bottles of the ultimate wheel cleaner. So I can still use the wheel cleaner and stuff like that on the car. That stuff I do still need. But do I need 2 bottles maybe, but do I need more? Probably not. The ultimate quick wax technology. So you get an ultimate quick wax. You get another carpet cloth refresher. Odor eliminating spray. Nice. Interior cleaner. Or at least to get rid of the odors. Then you've got another thing of the ultimate quick wax. And then another bottle of the ultimate quick wax. So that is everything that came with this. It's a lot. I mean, that's just a lot of stuff. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff again. Like, it's just so much stuff that I don't need all of it. But again, I can't sell it. I don't need it. So you tell me, what do you think I should do with it? Give me a second and I'm gonna put everything together so I can take a picture, and it's a lot of stuff. Check it out. Look at everything that they sent. It's pretty much everything you need to detail and wash your car. Sorry for the noise upstairs. You know, I do have a life and pets that I love, adore so much. And then thank you so much, Meguiar's, for sending all this craziness. It is insane. I cannot thank you guys enough. I really can't thank Meguiar's enough for sponsoring my car for another year. This is just, it's just crazy how much stuff they send. I'm probably not going to use even half of it, but I try. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever other video YouTube recommends to you, and I'll see you soon.